Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are all doing well. So I do have a very plain face today. Very plain. Washed, moisturized, and that's it. So we're just going to try to put some makeup on today. This palette, this is going to be going down in history for me as one of my best palettes, really. It is something. So let's just start working on the face, shall we? This is the brow gel, and this is from Inglot. When I did my photo shoot, the makeup artist used this on my face. It is very creamy. Okay. And all you need is just a little bit of this, and then your eyebrows are good to go. I don't think I've ever put my brows on camera before, because I find they take so much time to do. And sometimes they're perfect and sometimes they're not. So let's just see how we're gonna work this today. And of course, one always looks a little bit different than the other, but we can definitely fix that. So I'm just going to grab my flat brush, and I'm looking for my NW40 Concealer. Let's see if we can make this look a little decent. Not bad at all. Okay, so brows are looking half decent. So I'm just going to use this Cinema Secret, and I got this from Beauty Bay. And I'm just going to use this as a primer for my eyes, and this is what this product looks like. Okay. It's called Cinema Secrets, and it is from Beauty Bay. And I'm just going to use a brush to blend that out. And of course, everything that I use on my face, guys, is going to be linked below, so you guys can probably pick up on one or two things. And basically my makeup is for mature skin, because I don't like to put too many things on my face. So this is the MAC powder, and this is in deep. And this powder is so dark for my face, so I always use it sometimes as a powder to just set over the eyes, so my eyeshadows is not going to crease. So I'm just using a beauty blender to do that. So this is from Fashion Fair. I've used this before. This is called Brown Glaze Glow. This is Cover Tone Concealer Cream. I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to do like that, and I just want to cover my dark circles, because my skin is not perfect, guys. Really, it's not by any means. I try to take care of my skin as much as possible. But you girls still got those dark spots under the eyes, right? So you're just going to cover that. Perfect. So this is the Brick Corrector Stick. This is from CoverFx. And just on the bone here under the eyes, I'm just going to do like this, because I've already got some coverage under my eyes. So I'm going to use the same brush and just blend this out. I love this color corrector from CoverFx, especially for dark skin. It is perfect. Okay, so while that's basically settling into my skin, let's now go in with the 3503 palette from Morphe. It's called Fierce by Nature. And again, I always like to put a little bit of a tape right here so you can see exactly what you're using. Okay, it's a great little tip. So let's just try Ferocious, and I'm going to be using that, as a transition color. So now there's a color in the corner, and it's called Stamina. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this one just in the corner of my eyes, right there. Just so I can just define my nose a little bit. And you can actually see that my nose is coming to shape a little bit there. Alright, now I'm going in with Domination, and I'm going to use the same brush, and we just want to be able to start building. So I'm going in with Smolder now, and I'm going to use a very small brush. So Smolder is right here to the bottom, okay? It's like a brown color, and we are going to put that just right here. Using the same brush, we are going in with Smoked Out. And then we're just going to grab a clean brush and blend all of the corners out. So let me just put a little bit of concealer on the lid. This is from Black Opal. And we're just going to put a little bit of this just here. And we can just put the whole thing. There we go. Better. And we are going to take Outer Control, and we are going to put that just on the center right there. So I want this color to pop a little bit. So I'm going to be going on top with this liquid glitter. This is from Amazon. I'm going to link this in the description box for you guys. And this just goes on top. Okay, so we're just going to blend this out a little bit more. So I'm just going to take another small brush and just basically blend this in together. It's going to look really nice and smooth. This is my Fenty Beauty Liquid eyeliner. This is my ShaunzBeauty Lashes, and this is called Shona. Let me get my babies on off camera, and I will pop back in 1 second. So my lashes are on, and these are for Miss ShaunzBeauty. Okay, it's going to be linked below for you. So this purple eyeliner is from Rituals. I am now going to just line my waterline, and I just love this so much. It is so pretty. Beautiful purple. Okay, so let's work on the face right now. I am just going to use the same corrector that I use under my eyes, and I'm just going to use another brush, and I'm just going to do a little bit of color correcting just in certain areas of my face. Okay, so that should be plenty for color correcting. Brand new foundation today from Morphe. This is F3 120. There we go. I am going to be using a foundation brush to put this on today. And this is the BH Cosmetics 117. The seal is still on, so we are going to see if this fits my face or not. Let's just shake this a little. And let's see. A little bit goes on the brush. Oh my god. Oh. It has a red undertone, I would say. Because I think my undertone is basically either red or neutral. So let's just blend this out and see how it's going to look. Doesn't look too bad at all. Let me just finish the face up. Wow, I have never seen anything like this. Talk about a perfect foundation. I went into the Morphe store in Westfield and the girls there match my skin so well. This is incredible. And I feel like this foundation has the right tone of red for my skin. It looks so pretty. So if you do have my skin tone, this foundation is for you. It is F3 120 from Morphe. I'm shocked. I am really impressed with this foundation. Look at how good that looks. So I do like this waterproof tattoo covering concealer from Essence. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on because I think it's light enough to go perfectly with this foundation today. And of course, I'm not going to go in with too much of this. I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush right here, and we're just going to blend this out. So I'm going in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm going to use my Instylish Beauty Blender, but I'm going to use the smaller angle side to put this powder on. These are really good beauty blenders, guys. You really need to get some of these. You certainly do. Alright, so let's just give this a minute to set. I'll put back in 1 second. Okay, so let's just remove the powder. This powder is just incredible. It is a beautiful powder from Laura Mercier. So this is my NW45 powder from MAC. Let me see what I should use for powder brush. I am going to use my Oscar Charles C101 powder brush, and we're just going to balance the face out. Well, so far I'm loving it. Let's do some blush, and I'm actually loving this blush trio from Morphe, and this is called Pop of Puppy. So because my eyes has a little bit of a bronzy gold, I'm not going to use Prerogative today. I'm going to use Bold. So this is what the colors looks like. Okay. And this color right here is called Bold. So that's what I'm going to be putting on the cheeks today. Let me see if I can find my blush brush. And Bold just goes right there. You see that? Just right on the cheeks. Just like so. Beautiful. That is very nice. What do you think? That's really nice. So let's work on the lips right now. I'm just going to go in with some lip balm. This is the Revolution lip liner and it's called Glory. This lipstick is from Morphe and it is called Spicy. This is a beautiful lipstick. I do love this look. Let's use our setting spray. I do have another backup here and I just want to make sure every single drop of this is finished before I throw it out. This is the finished look of the makeup. Very nice. I love the way this has turned out. This is my go-to makeup palette, 3503 Fierce by Nature from Morphe. Love it. The lipstick is called Spicy. It's also from Morphe. I'm going to link everything in the description box for you guys. These beautiful, gorgeous earrings are from Miss ShaunzBeauty. I'm going to leave her link again in the description box for you guys. And I'm also wearing her lashes from her ShaunzBeauty line, and these ones are called Shauna. They are so sweet. It just basically finishes the look. Everything that I use on my face is going to be listed below for you guys, just in case you want to pick up on something. But I really love the way this has turned out. Let me know your thoughts on this video today. Let me know your thoughts on this look. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate you, and I shall see you next time. Bye.